Banded pull-up typewriter. We're starting off with the band just right in the middle here. Now, if your pull-up game is not that good, you're obviously going to use a thicker band to help you get up there. And we're pulling up, we're going all the way out to the side, back to the middle, down. Pull it up, out to the other side, back to the middle, and then down. So we want to pull down the band, and we want to step our leg inside, catch onto the bar like so. Hips come forward, squeezing the glutes here. Then we're going to come all the way up, and then come out to the side. Pull the shoulders back, up,